There are other models of atonement that seem to me to bring insight into Christ's work. I just wonder if you could comment on that.
Yes, the doctrine of the atonement in the New Testament has been very aptly compared to a multifaceted jewel. And there's a multiplicity of motifs in the New Testament: sacrifice, penal substitution, satisfaction of divine justice, ransom, moral influence. And I think all of these are facets of this beautiful jewel, which is the doctrine of the atonement. Gemologists call that central facet of a cut stone the table of the gem. And I think that the table of the jewel, which is the doctrine of the atonement, is penal substitution. It is the central facet around which the other facets are clustered, through which they are seen, and they all then redound to the beauty of the whole. And so in my work on the atonement, although penal substitution lies at the center of it as the table of the gem, I'm going to be discussing as well things like ransom and moral influence and Christus Victor and other facets of the atonement that are also important as well.